भाई सुनो दुख की बात, एक बंगाली दुष्ट की डॉल सारे बीने चूने चूड महारानी खान की दल की चुनी गुनी चुदीरान कुत्ते के जैसे चोते भी है अपना माता बहन की करते खून चोद और खून लूटता करके करके आए हैं ये they have done crime 7 into 7 dud with you infinity then put 7 across again 7 times तभी दोष किस बात की दाई बाप पे किस बात की शास्ति किस बात की कहते हैं जो चोदी नंदन गोली कहाँ की जानते कलकत्ता की कुल खां की डायन की चोद महारानी बंगाली लुप्टिस्ट मांगी लेफ्टिस्ट चोदे चोद महारानी दौल की बंगाली रोता है एक भारतीय साधु जिसके आँखी है धरा के अंदर दिखती है ये मोहाल अकाल अकाल ये कैटास्ट्रफे की उन्मा अदोना जो चुदीर बेटे बेटी घंटी बुलाते हैं भाहन बहन चोद महारानी चलो चल के जाए गभीर समुंदर नीर बाप के बड़ बाप के पाप के मशीन के जरिए हम चकमारानी तुम चूदी चोद चाहे तो चल चल चोद महारानी की ये है जगह ये बजवा है मेरी पोटर रघुराय लेकिन है यो जाएगा भी रघुबाटी राम भाटी जय राम बाटी राम बाग राम बर्गो की प्लेस ए दानव शैतान डेविल एविल आए है उस स्थान मेरा भी प्रेरित हुआ है उनको साथ रहना है सभी वेटरनरी लाइफ साइंस की है लेकिन मेरा बैकग्राउंड और डिसिप्लिन की कारण मेरा गुरुदेव सर्वज्ञ थे जिसके अप्रोच गॉड भेडिंग each and every molecule atoms come to learn the past history each and every people who was in his eye instant to see his hard life 5,000 generations his life can to read instantly where his mind to sting him in default so चुद महारानी दौल अपन कुत्ते की मैं दिखाऊंगा एक वीडियो इनके साथ जो चुद महारानी गन हो क्या क्या करते हैं प्राण के साथ लाइफ ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड इनोसेंट के साथ ये गाते थे कलकत्ता में है तो कहते थे भेंगे दाओ गुड़िए दाओ साधु धर्म के संयम नियम चोट दे दाओ अपन मामी बहन की ओ हो, और ओपुर के लड़की मम्मी की बात कहाँ रुक जाती है। ये चौद महारानी शोर कुत्ते भात से गुड़ा मुख से गुड़ा देता अमेरिका हजार। अरार निपत जाग कहे के चूदिर साला, अभी कुछ दिन आगे कही दिया तुम्हारे साथ हो रहा है सैनी संग्राम। असुर देवता का संग्राम कर रहे चौद महारानी धना। दुर्योधन धृतराष्ट्र पिता चौद महारानी साला, बड़े पापा खाते हैं 100-200 अंडा के ऑमलेट, फक्ति से मारता है शोर बच्चा, चोदते है बेटी बहन पोता पोती चौद महारानी साला। खून किए है 777 into 777 million or billion. It cannot be explained. It is the scenes it will take in 1950s or 60s onward. Almost all the date has been perpetuated. Influences are made directly at they are killing physical hands, the metallic field, the gravitational field, psychosomatic field capturing, or corona-like contagion spreading, or cancer like that malice, biohazard, adultering in the foods, deliberately in the drugs and the vaccines, everywhere to kill the killing of their competitors, superior, their feeders, but to take their thought heroism as if to take pleasure without taking any guilty. If I to think that your vagina and mouth and God will be washed out with strong acid nitric or sulfuric or hydrochloric acid, as you need your penis and tongue will be cut, legs and hands will be cut. But they have been strong protestant about my declaration of incitement of this punishment. So arrogant idiots, and it's still they to talk about their collapse, the nobility, their open the sagehood. They have advisor, they have been advisor of the Pope Francis, that British Queen, Joy Biden, Kamala Harris like Modi itself is that criminal of this sense. And the Modi, Khun Dharsan Chod Maran ke Modi Khana, that businessman, he does not feel any guilty of his country people, his support, his remaining silent on 7 into 7 into 7, 7, 7, 7 into 7, 7, so what? They have no sense of fear from any sector in the world, as they are so well conformed with this audio-visual aids. They can see with the camera molecular level remaining on the undersea that vast science and technology, misuse the science and technology, kidnap the all top science and technology, keeping in their system closed door, giving life sentence. All the evil devil satanism is dancing on the floors of the scientific Quran and parliament, police stations, everywhere of their peoples, that Satan, devil, group, curses and wrath sent as a god. So this is the horrible crisis of the whole humanity. They are helpless. Nobody gives this message to the whole world as they are invincible way, remaining under sea. 6 to 7 kilometers column, even their matter, that system to drag the earth, where they are to reach from opposite Mexican Gulf to Bengal or Bay of Bengal on the land, perforating, to talk with me, to see with me, to teach, to do debate wrong, to become tyrannic, try to kill as my many relative millions of countrymen, and how I do see that they are picking up the dead souls in such harassing and giving punishment, torture, pain, suffering, and putting that the dark field of their iron cut. So it is becoming so notorious, so inauspicious, so evil, satanic, so deadful, painful, gripful, so sadness of this earth, lamenting, lamenting that vapors of the eyes of the Bengals, the mothers, sisters, brothers, parents, as a to great cloud formation. Who are the cloud engineer IT software, that cloud medical doctor, that cloud maker, scientist, politician, judges, who do the cure the dirty cloud or flood that turmoiled water, the healthy water. So this is the flood water like dirty. This is the satellite environment vision, earth, inner atmosphere, sky. Mind cannot move. Air, of course, oxygenation cannot move. Hands and legs cannot move. They make that so magnetic field base fixations, stagnate, that movement, mobility, arresting, cardiac, etc. So, however, condition due to also sin, as you know, probably your father knows of these idiots, criminals, devils, satans of the dancing on the street of Calcutta, Jadavpur, Calcutta University, Presidency College, JNU, or that IIT Kharagpur, Bengal Veterinary College, or the Kolkata, the Naxalist and that wrongdoer in the Bidhan Chandra Agriculture University, what is the best chief minister of, best doctor of India, that is Bharat Ratna Bidhan Chandra. His name has been maligned by these criminals. They are come from Bishnupur, that Rampur, the top, the intolerable to him an injustice or killing of innocent, telling lies and doing stealing, torturing animals or humans or sagi. So these demons and devils punishing his symbol as a Purushottam, the best man if they were indulged with that ladies, sex, etc. Never enjoyment he has suffered. It's horrible. His jungle life leading 14 years without help, only two men or three living her wife at demon's hand. So that great man, his name Ramson, everybody was with Ramson or Harison, his name behind, and his law, today's law, his name, Elder Son's law's name. So he is the law who gives the whole world, to give the teaching of law means humanity. Who follow the laws, those only will be told as a human or civil one. Unless all will be taken as a beast of devils or too late to just a beast here, that criminal, anti-humanist, anti-beast, anti-nature, the devil evil, that selfish, criminal, barbar, satanism. They remain Hindu in their endorsed school, college, religious, but they have left those people in their own stating to take it to be killing that Sagi, demolishing Hindu temples. They are only that who destroyed that Durga Puja pandal in Bangladesh. And also they are to introduce Pakistani or to create Taliban to drop bombs at World Trade Center. Who takes the 10 millions of the people of that with corona excuse that killing that by that same machine killing device from undersea. This horrible condition, they have replaced all that humanity caretaker and pillars of the protector of the world, who to feed and to give protection, vaccine, drug, etc. Developers, all have been killed in premature manner. They have been they have been replaced by the evil devil who are the cheater at COP26. All the attendants are the misleader criminals. Those cannot be spared. As they ignored me, still they remain not on their own. They have asked mercy. They have informed and quote me, mine basis quote that crisis. What I have mentioned, they have to quote, unless nobody will be spared what they are doing and what action. Later on, that will no expose. That today, Facebook has become post social media misutilized by the criminals, coordinating criminals, making vulnerable the whole civil humanity honest. Cyber has become the civil bar. Keeping the civil bar, my the CCTV camera all has been locked and they get data from my CCTV camera and they locked my printer. All the HP printer, Epson, etc. They to computer only to get this data from me, but I am on a need. I am unable to run this mobile, the television, the CCTV camera, digital camera, neither my that computer and printer to get printing, to fax or to call phone call on urgent time, or even they do not allow. It is you can see this, and this is the time night is not be, but this message was the London that cannot be read here. But I say they are hindering me very badly. They are to saying once they to saying that they do not allow to sing in our manner. What will do best day to bring on the hour? Devastation, disaster, catastrophe, distress. Everywhere will be our dancing on the corpses. So they suppressing those motive and evil intention. They wanted to show, let us to sing our songs in our manner. So they ask for equality to remain as like civil, the sin avoider, sin avoider. So these people honest to get same status even they done doing crime into 7 times. So what? As they are that preacher, the demand of equality and every time. As if civil, honest, can free movement, even they done the wrong thing. Why you ask the question of punishment? Because they are most of the time killings remaining invincible. Although they are spreading this virus and pathogen, develop the corona, etc., all influenza, etc., but they do not to bear. That is from Bilan Chandra Agriculture University, Bengal Veterinary College, Calcutta, Presidency University, Calcutta University, Yadavpur, IIT Kharagpur, JNU, Oceanography Institutes, all of the Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, etc., all of papers are gathered, Tata, Fundamental Research, Indian Institute of Chemicals, Biological Sciences, Molecular Cell Biology, Hyderabad, etc., all that people, the devil Satan has gathered to do harm to humanity as the humanity annihilators. So to blame the carbon dioxide as a climate change, that is wrong. So this is the message they are not allowing, and why the people are trembling. So many pockets, the California to Guatemala or from Guatemala to Chile, Peru is just trembling each and every 20, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, horrible manner trembling. Why that way not that parallelly remain in Indian, the great height and weighty Himalayan on Indian surface. But although is a trembling, but not that manner, but other places higher altitude, and the London or New Zealand, etc., Indonesia is being devastated, Japan, Korea. So this is that on the route who the two-way coming from northeast from the Vladivostok to Korea to enter India, northeast Arunachal, Bangladesh or Jharkhand, Bengal to Odisha to go Hyderabad, etc., Madagascar. Another route is coming from New Zealand sides to pack up the Chile, Peru, that's Thailand, Singapore, to reach crossing Indian subcontinent, Iran, Italy, Greece, Turkey, etc. to London. In these two horrible ways, they are causing horrible condition of us. If I to take some work is there, but I to casually make this video. This video is just not for showing any views or scientific data. You have to collect all these videos from to the channel. I have consulted Javed. So you are these people's responsibility as you are sufficient enough, as you claimed mankind, to become honest, to spread this as humanity helpless, crisis, as you learn that so many people with mental illness, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, that fatigueness, tiredness, working power has been reduced one third or half of that. People becoming aged, dwarfed, hardened, and losing life, sudden matter, cardiac arrest, respiration, etc. As they are creating problem are thinner, called suffocation. I am feeling exhausted and suffocating. So I have to stop they're tempering the voice and horrible manner they are to destroy the speech. Now I have so this if they allow me, if they are always try to drop my attempt to complete this video in the YouTube. So many people I have, as you dislike that the dislike comments you cannot cut out, so trick out, delete or ban any video. Let it is video to go. That creator of the channel and who has given comment to both that to face the truth. And as you have asked, I have written your pleading and make copied and seen your anxiety about these criminals who are the misuse of the digital system, internet, cyber, etc. All platforms, science and laboratory, politics, and every investigation officer, White House, 10 down being points and not the South Block of India, the largest democracy, who to boast of the mankind, but those are the all evil devil satans are fooled by those parliaments and governments, advisor, etc. All have been White House becoming the black seat, dark house, the Satan culprit, people's and witches' house. So it is in a horrible condition of the whole town as your mother Germany. She will remain as the Aryan, asking my identity, consulting. You allow the people silently, not working yourself. You just give casually to somebody to communicate this message indirectly to other, and that he will do indirectly other. So that I am quoting of that horrible machine who is the telecalling system. Even they can see you, even if you, but always may not be if it is a long run talk. So when you are in which state, in journey or where you have given, that will be difficult. Because as I am making Javed Karim, their heart will be point out to Javed Karim, his father, Christian Karim, Ilas Karim, as if they will make end the lifespan shortage as they have done Okonjak, the pop singster, Jackson, Michael Jackson, etc., Colin Powell, Diego Maradona, folks, etc. So many famous people of that Prince Charles scientist has been killed. And India, Atal Bihari, Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj. All the playback singer, best of the best, Satyarai, Satyajit Ray, etc., all has been killed in premature by the same Bengali criminals leftist. So I have to show this horrible names apart from the climate change, which is not obviously be told as the carbon dioxide immediate resultant of this, or sea tide. You see this is the condition where you are seeing remaining as in California in these areas, this rock, and this is the sea from northeast to come southwest, and from southeast to go to northwest, from southeast to northwest, from northeast to southwest. So in these two, I am remaining here, Bengal, just Bishnupur near Radambagh place. If you see this horrible, that people to astonishingly fed up with this earthquake, that they have critically to do study after 1960. Climate change also 1960. Heart attack is also suddenly increased after 1960. Earthquakes, sea tides, all the natural calamities just after 1960. Mind mesmerization 1986. Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, also 1960 onward. That same oceanography wrong under sea As in Indian, jada jada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. The spiritual or sage power, human caretaker pillars will be destroyed on the lack of archaism, the justice or king or government to to kill that, to restrain the demons, to kill that sage. The all peoples doing straight and their invisible hands from under to kill the sage wolf that all are having fear. So it is my request that you all will stand up with me to report whole world and to seek me my support and advice-wise work and cleanse the whole seas of the demons and the devil and the evils in politics, scientists, everywhere, from labs, lands, everywhere. But particularly you need urgently from ocean, all oceanography and dipping, vesicle and going the undersea. It is totally, I have given 10 minutes to remain on the sea near a surface or water on floating. No, no enter. You can no do shakes and masses. So this is that message. I have to blame that attender. That attender is highly objectionable and punishable. What is cause? This cause that even climate change, and I particularly blame that General Secretary. Then information of the participants, of the information for the participants in UNESCO, that 1 point Celsius goal. It is a fraud claim. Actually, there is not really increase of the temperature. As if you have keep that metal, the pure metal dipping in the undersea, that is totally preserving daily basis at some equilibrium rate, the trapping of heat coming back of the heat from the sky is being much more than that dispersion. So that metal is the main cause putting in the earth, sea inner, even to entering the earth inner, to drag the moisture. All have described. If you give suitable video conference, I will be available to you to save the, as I have declared, humanity savior. That particular water, the term humanity savior, as you know, climate change, earthquake, calamity, storm, sudden death, pollutants, suffocation of wind flow, choking, cardiac arrest, so many deaths, mental illness, brain, cerebral damage, heart attack, ischemic disease, Alzheimer, etc. I have described in my to YouTube channel. If I ever that my YouTube channel may not be needed at this stage. YouTube channel of Sri Arori Ji. Of Sri Arori Ji. So I was this up my from which YouTube channel. It is not of mine. That is another is there. How to YouTube? It is Sri Arori Ji. They had to hack my doctor. That is to hack into the they are that criminal murder fucker basically on my this is of my this one Sri Robinji this one the Sri Rabindranath Roy Sri Robinji Sri Vishnu Raj Vishnupur. I have to show these proofs of these my videos and this one is my another that channel and this one Dr. Rabindranath Roy. These two and my two and these papers are not allowing me at this stage. I may forget of this. So I later on that I have described my that as they have trying to so you have seen that now you have got convinced Javed Karim that whatever the digital papers are stock.